Hey friends, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 21. If you're new here, I'm Nikea and I'm sharing some of our family's favorite Christmas traditions in today's Vlogmas video. Christmas memories mean everything to me because they are not about perfection. They're about memories, connections, and doing the same little things year after year that your family looks forward. So grab something cozy, like some hot chocolate, and let's talk Christmas traditions. One of our family's Christmas traditions, and this is probably my favorite, is every year, no matter what, doesn't matter what stage of life we're in, we always take a family Christmas picture. And it doesn't necessarily have to be Christmas themed. It could just be family pictures, but we're going to take a family picture every year. Sometimes they're super polished and professional, and EJ will break out the camera and do some editing. We'll have pre-planned coordinated outfits, have designated locations, have a time set for when we're going to take them. And other times they're very much real life. Kids not cooperating. Like one year Harper had a real funky attitude, but guess what? We still took the picture. Sometimes it's on the iPhone and it's just a quick little picture, or it's just impromptu. One year we took a picture on Thanksgiving Day because we all happened to be wearing the same colors. So it's gonna happen regardless. When I look back, those photos tell a story. They capture where we are in that season of our life, and I really enjoy that. I can look back on those photos and think about what was going on in life, what were we doing, the plans that we have for the future. And it's definitely not about Instagram or any other social media perfection. It's about documenting our lives. And I have declared myself the family historian and the historian among my friend groups, because I'm gonna have a video or a photo for that time in our lives. If you know me, you know since I started my own family, matching pajamas are a non-negotiable. Ever since my husband and I got married, we have matching family pajamas. And this actually started with my mom, because traditionally every year for Christmas, the one present we would open up on Christmas Eve would be our pajamas. So we got pajamas every single year. And then as I became an adult, when I would go for Christmas time with my family, we would have themes for pajamas. So one year we all wore superhero pajamas. We did our favorite sports teams, and then each family had their own matching pajamas one year. So we keep the tradition going, because I'm like, me and my family, we're gonna match. So every year we have been doing that. It's become my favorite tradition. So we did have, we don't change them too often, so we'll keep pajamas for a few years, probably as long as Harper can fit them. And once she grows out of them, we'll change to a different pajama set. But we've done the buffalo plaid, I think it's called. We had these joyful matching pajamas from Target, and then more recently we've been wearing our Grinch sweatsuits, because my husband told me, he was like, I don't like pajamas, but I will do the matching tradition. And one year Target came out with these sweat sets. Ellery, but Target came out with these matching sweat sets with characters on it, and my husband was like, I can do that. But of course they sold out. I was able to find a set for Harper, so my husband and I just got custom sweatshirts. Ellery, shh. Got custom sweatshirts from Etsy. And then when Reagan came and spent Christmas with us last year, she got a matching sweatshirt. But it makes Christmas Eve and Christmas morning, and actually Christmas Day, feel special, because we will spend the entire day in our Christmas pajamas. So I don't know if Harper gets excited about matching pajamas. Oh, she does. She looks forward to it every year. I don't know if Reagan gets as excited, but she complies. Plus, they make the best pictures when we're all matching and coordinating. Another tradition we've kept is taking pictures with Santa every year. And yes, Santa looks like us. We've been with this company the last 9 years. I will say Harper's first Christmas, EJ and I weren't married. We didn't spend Christmas together that year. So I took her to see a mall Santa. And he happened to be white. And then when he found this company, he was like, nah, she can't take no pictures with that Santa no more. Representation matters, especially to our children, because it's important to see yourself in every aspect of life. So we find it very important for our children to see Santas that look like them. And I love that they get to see themselves reflected in something so simple as a holiday tradition. And these pictures mean so much more than just a cute photo. They're affirming. Photos are cute though. And the company that we go to every year and have been going to, Ellery, shh. The company that we've been going to is ran by Stafford Braxton, and it's called Santa Like Me. So make sure y'all check them out. They're very popular in the North Carolina area. They're also trying to expand to the Virginia area as well. So y'all be on the lookout for them. Another tradition is that we always bake cookies around Christmas, and we bake cookies to leave for Santa. The recipe that we usually make is the ones that are from, what's that hotel? Doubletree Hotel. Because they posted their recipe in 2020. So those are the cookies that we usually bake. And then more recently, I've been making some brown butter chocolate chip cookies. So maybe we'll use those this year as well. The cookies are always cute and they're always good, and we make them together. So that's the fun experience of it. You know, there's flour, ingredients everywhere. We usually have music playing and lots of laughing. So those are the memories that stick, you know, locking in that core memory. And finally, hot chocolate. This is not something we do together. Harper will help me sometimes. She likes to be in the kitchen. But we always make homemade hot chocolate. And I started this back in 2017, I want to say. I think I made it for work one time, and then I was like, ooh, this is good. I need to make this at home. So this is a must in our house. Christmas Eve, after, well, we've already decorated, but after baking, and we have on our matching pajamas, we're sitting in the living room, watching a Christmas movie, eating our Christmas cookies, and drinking our hot chocolate. It's simple, but cozy. And honestly, that's what Christmas is all about. I'd love to know, what are some Christmas traditions that you grew up with, or some that you are trying to establish now? What are the moments that you are creating with your family and friends? Let me know in the comments. Let's talk. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can tune in and come back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 22 and for the rest of Vlogmas. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.